Story. John camping trip. John and his best friend went on a camping trip near a beautiful fishing river with their tent. John is fishing and Cliff is making a campfire near the blanket with a picnic basket. There are monkeys around the trees near the tent, looking at the two boys. John catches a nice big fish. As evening begins, the boy sits by the campfire and roasts the fish. Cliff tells John that he is hungry and that the fish smell very good. They open the picnic basket and take out the fruit that their mothers prepared for them for the fishing trip. The next morning, while the two boys were still sleeping, a group of curious monkeys quietly came down from the trees. They looked inside the picnic basket and found some bananas, apples, and grapes. One little monkey picked up a banana while the other grabbed a shiny red apple. Soon, all the monkeys were happily sharing the fruit. After a while, John woke up and noticed the monkeys. He gently woke Cliff and pointed towards the picnic basket. The boys laughed when they saw the playful monkeys enjoy their breakfast. Look, Cliff, they found our fruit, John said. They must have been very hungry. Cliff replied with a smile. The boys decided to leave a few extra bananas for the monkeys and packed the rest of their things. After cleaning up the campsite and making sure the campfire was completely out, they waved goodbye to their new monkeys friends and head home with wonderful memories of their camping adventures.